Alrighty, hello kindergarteners and happy Friday. I am so happy to see you again here in my house doing calendar and number corner stuff. Today, as it happens to always be on Fridays, we have a lot to do. So we're going to go ahead and jump in, and by jump in, I mean we're going to start with jumping jacks today. So if you can stand up, we are going to do 5 jumping jacks. Do you know what a jumping jack looks like? It goes like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. And now you guys have to do 5. Ready? So I'm just gonna move my arms because I already did mine. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now jump one more time. Ooh, we're jumping in. Let's sing our song. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. In English, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. As we know, today is Friday. That means that I do not get to teach you calendar tomorrow or on Sunday, but that's okay because I'll be back on Monday to trick you again, so be ready. The first thing I actually wanted to do today before we even did our calendar card was to show you these numbers that are up here. I'm hoping that when I post this on the internet, and hopefully you guys can watch this on a computer or tablet, it'll be a little bit easier to see. But I put up these numbers. Those are the numbers 30 all the way through number 49. So we're going to count from 30 to 49 together. I'm going to count slow and just try to follow along with me. 30 is the 10 that comes after 20. So do you remember when we did our Crandall the Crab and he had the 10 legs and we used them to count to 100? Can we count to 100 by 10s just to make sure you all remember? Looking at you, Juan. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job! You guys remember. Okay, now we're gonna stop at 30. Ready? 10, 20, 30. We're gonna count from 30 to 40, doing this thing. I think that Ms. Dean's class does this too sometimes. I like this. It's kind of like giving yourself a little massage. I'm going to stand up and I'll stand back here to show you how we're going to do it. So remember, you take your arm and your hand and we're just going to squeeze 5 times going up our arms, and we're going to count to 30, I guess 34 this way. 30, 31, 32, 33. Yep, we're going to count to 34 this way, okay? Starting with 30. So grab here, squeeze, and say 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Switch hands. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Does anyone know what comes next? 10, 20, 30, 40. Good job. Okay, so 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. You guys, great work. We'll practice that in Spanish tomorrow as well. I also was thinking maybe we could do you remember the Go Noodle that's like, make a pattern, make a pattern, let's make a pattern, all right. Maybe we can make a pattern with this where we do loud, loud, quiet, quiet, loud, loud, quiet, quiet. Do you remember that one? That might just be in store for us tomorrow. But first I'm going to trick you. Are you ready? Who remembers this pattern? Banana, banana, meatball, banana, banana, meatball. Everybody? Well then, who remembers this pattern? Elbow, stomach, stomach, elbow, elbow, stomach, stomach, elbow. You remember that one too? All right. Do you remember the one that goes loud, loud, quiet, quiet, loud, loud, quiet, quiet. One more time. Loud, loud, quiet, quiet. Man, I can't trick you guys at all today. You're too smart. All right, fine. I guess I'll just have to get on with my regular tomfoolery. Are you ready to get tricked with the card? Big thumbs up if you think I can trick you today. I know that I can. All right, let's do it. Today's card, oh, just to review what we had Wednesday and yesterday, which was Thursday. This is a ruler. A ruler measures length, or largo. This, I didn't tell you what it's called in English yesterday. It's called a scale. In Spanish, it's called a balanza. And we use a balanza, we use a scale to measure weight, or peso in Spanish. I wonder what today will be. These are both, I'm thinking of a word that starts with a T. These are both things that we use. What do we call things that we use in English? Tools. Yep, they're called tools. These are both tools that we use to measure things. I wonder if I'm starting to notice a pattern. Also, I'm wondering, Johan, if he can tell me if he's out there, what number will be today? If we had 1 and then 2, what comes after 2, Johan? Help me out. All right, I'm going to go ahead and show you. Our card today, Johan, were you right? Is this your number? Our card today is the number 3. And what do we see on it? I see, you guys, we were right. I see another tool. This tool is called a measuring spoon. Can you say measuring spoon? Nice. But Miss Steiner, what is a measuring spoon? A measuring spoon is a thing that we use mostly in cooking, but we use it to measure a funny word that I like to call capacity. Can you say capacity? Brilliant. In Spanish, that word is called capacidad. It shows how much of something is in something else. So my class never got to do this, but I think Miss Dean's class did. The which cylinder is bigger lesson. Do you remember? I drew these little cylinders, hopefully to remind Miss Dean's mathematicians about it. So the cylinders are different sizes, and they were trying to figure out in Miss Dean's class which one holds more. Our class was a little bit behind Miss Dean's class, so we never did this yet. We're going to talk about capacity with these. We're going to talk about capacity with a few different things as well. But for now, I got to put this up. I got to put this up, and then that's my next clue for our pattern. So I got to put this guy up on my clue wall. Give me 1 second while I do that. There's that. There's that. Perfect. Awesome. All right, you guys, are you feeling tired today? You look a little tired through the computer screen. What can I do to get you moving? I wish we could play tic-tac-toe. Should we do 30 seconds lightning round, Simon Says? If you want to play Simon Says for 30 seconds, please stand up. Ready? Simon Says jump 3 times. 1, 2, 3, wave hello, hello. I didn't say Simon Says. Did I get you? Simon Says spin around twice. 1, 2. Simon Says bark like a dog. Ruff. Simon Says meow like a cat. Meow. Simon Says touch your nose, touch your ears. Did I get you? I didn't say Simon Says. If you won, please have your mom and dad message me on Dojo so that I know that I owe you a sucker when we get back to school. All right. The last thing I want to show you before I have to go this morning is that I already filled in our sheet that we're writing. Look, so what I did, hopefully you guys are going to get to guess my pattern. I put up a sapo in Spanish. How do you say sapo in English? A toad. A toad. Can you say toad? Nice. Okay, so a toad. And then down here I colored in our toad. How many toads do you see now? How many frogs? Awesome. And then on this side I have 2 frogs plus one toad equals how many living things? Can you read that number? Can you write that number? That's the real question. I'm going to link below our write numbers video so you guys can keep practicing that at home. I know that video only goes to 10. I might look for another one that can go a little bit farther than that. But for now, that's what I have for you guys. I will see you on Monday. I miss you already.